Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. On September 21st around 4:30 pm, a 12-year-old boy was on his way to attend a religious event when a gang of 5 miscreants attacked him in Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. What will boggle your mind is the reason why this little child was attacked. His Janeu, the sacred cotton and thread worn across the chest over the left shoulder by Hindu maids. The 12-year-old boy was on his way to a religious event when 4 to 5 miscreants attacked him and cut off his janeu. They also threatened him of dire consequences if he was seen wearing it again in the future. The incident has led to political parties raising questions against functions of the MK Stalin-led DMK government, who have previously made derogatory statements against the Sanatan Dharma. The DMK is being blamed for fostering an environment which gives space to anti-Sanatana sentiment, causing incidents such as these. The latest incident reflects the deep-seated hatred, bigotry of the people against Sanatana and its followers. There is an anti-sentiment which is the norm in many regions of our country, giving rise to Hinduphobia. Condemning the incident, Tamil Nadu BJP Vice President Narayana Tirupati highlighted how the government representatives insulting Brahmins have caused commoners to inculcate and engage in bigotry against Brahmins. It was also highlighted by him that wearing the janeu is not just a religious custom, but imbibed in daily lives. It is a tool for worship, praying for the wellness of not just oneself, but also the entire family, and further for the entire community. Political groups such as the Justice Party and Dravidal Kazhagam, the DMK, were born on the anti-Sanatan sentiment and for almost 75 years have continued to create the impression that only Brahmins were the secret threat. However, communities like Chetiyars, Arivaisiyas, goldsmiths, carpenters, and sculptors had rituals of wearing and changing their sacred thread as a duty and belief during the important developments in their lives. Cutting off the janeu and threatening a little child shows the insensitivity and colonized nature of these people. They fail to understand that British imperialists sown the seed of division and formed the illusion that Brahmins subjugated and oppressed the other sects of the society. The pseudo-secular nature of these preconceived notions have at present day manifested into hatred for Brahmins and in extension the Sanatana, mainly in the southern region of the country. Previously, Tamil Nadu Minister Duraimurugan's recent speech about the Brahmin community at the DMK's Platinum Jubilee also reflected an anti-Brahmin sentiment, inciting the common people against centre's policies. As highlighted by Tirupati, some pseudo-secular politicians have instigated the idea that they do not engage in caste politics. But in reality, these are the very politicians who are seeking to seize political power on the basis of caste. This discourse of hatred has now caused such dangerous incidents. These instances are not new, as we know how Udayanidhi Stalin's remarks on the Sanatana created an uproar across the nation. But no concrete action was taken except a warning. But was it enough to stop these parties from making such statements, from inciting hatred against a particular community? Meanwhile, Narayan Tirupati called out Chief Minister Stalin and said that it was Stalin's duty and responsibility to order the arrest of those evil forces who had cut the sacred thread and attacked the young child and render justice. As Stalin claims that he is the Chief Minister of all. Jai Hind.